Hi there, welcome back to another yoga flow. This practice is for practicing on daily basis to make your life more accessible with your yoga journey. To start with, make yourself comfortable in any posture. Here I have tried sitting in child pose. Make all the adjustments and try to place your hips over your heels. Extend your arms in front of the body. Make any gentle slight changes if you have to, like opening your knees a little wider, grounding your forearm further, and breathing in and out in the pose. Remember to center yourself with your breathing pattern. Neither fast nor slow breathing, just the usual pattern. Breathe in and out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, look forward and gently sit upright. Now, from here, place your hands over your chest and belly and feel as you inhale, your belly comes out. As you exhale, your belly should go in. After having the control over the breath, take the hands in front of the body and take the right one to the right side. Hold it up there and exhale, come to center. Inhale and exhale, fold it to the left side. Look at the left thumb and exhale, come back to the center. Now, from here, place your hands in front of the body, lift off your knees, and get into downward facing dog. Place your palms broad, wide, and tight. Start paddling your knees one at a time and have a good control over your upper body using your arms. Use your core and breathe in and breathe out. As you inhale, you look at the navel and exhale, you continue holding it and breathe in and breathe out. Hold the downward facing dog for up to 3 to 5 breaths. And then eventually exhale, drop your knee first and again sit upright over your heels. Now here, extend your legs in front of the body while keeping the right one bended where your right foot next to the left thigh. Left toe pointed towards you. And then inhale, raise your arms. As you exhale, fold forward without rounding your back. Grab the toe or have hands wherever you can reach and just breathe. After 3 rounds of breath, with inhale, raise your hand, extend the right leg. This time fold the left one. Place the left foot next to the right thigh. Inhale, hands up. Exhale to Janu Shirshasana. Grab the toe if you can and free feel to bend your knee to reach further, and then inhale, hands up. Exhale, release. Now bring your legs in front of the body. Extend the toes and just sit up straight. Inhale, hands goes up. Exhale into Paschimottanasana. Grab the big toes and gently go a little further beyond in the forward fold. Breathe nicely. And then as you inhale, hands goes up and with the exhale, release. Now from here, stand on your knees in the kneeling pose. Toes are pointed back, they are hip width apart. Take the hands in front of the body open and bring them close to the chest and open to the side. Inhale, exhale. Now we will practice camel pose. For that, tuck your toes really well. Place the right palm over the right heel. Extend the left leg at the back and probably try to grab the left heel. Open your chest, keep pushing your hips forward and breathe. Exhale, come back and lower down your hips, extend your arms in front of the body. Breathe nicely. And now lie down over the yoga mat on your belly. Have hands next to the chest. Inhale, lift into Bhujangasana. Keep it little low to have a better control. And this time with inhale, try to go little higher than the last time. Breathe nicely. With exhale, relax. Now fold one leg at a time and try to grab the toes, and with inhale, lift up into Dhanurasana. Keep your chest open, have the good grip, and with exhale, lower down your forehead and eventually release the legs. Relax, and then use your palms to support and come back into child's pose. Again, as you inhale, lift your head up and sit up straight. Bring the feet together close to the groin and flap your legs to the sides into butterfly pose. First, start with a slower pace, and if you feel confident, you can open your thighs a little wider and do not round your spine. Keep your spine straight. Now place your palms over heels or extend them in front of the body and gently get into a forward fold while being in the butterfly pose. Extend the arms as far as you can, and then with inhale, gently come up and sit up straight. Again, with inhale, go further, little extra in the forward fold. Try to place the forehead over the yoga mat. Breathe in and out. As you inhale, lift your head up. Hands over the heels. And then eventually release the butterfly pose. Now from here, sit upright in Malasana. Your feet are grounded, chest is open, thighs are open from the edges of the elbow. Keep your spine straight and breathe. Continue breathing and holding the pose. Keep your head straight, chin parallel to the yoga mat. And then with exhale, release and extend your legs and gently lie down over the yoga mat on your back. Make all the little adjustments of your body in terms of clothes and lower back. And then place your hands next to the hips and inhale, lift up into bridge pose. Breathe over here. Continue breathing. Keep breathing. As you exhale, lower down your hips and breathe. Now interlock your fingers below the hips and inhale, lift up your hips into bridge pose. Try to hold it as high as you can and then release the hand with exhale, lower it down. Now bring the knees close to your head and hug them. And roll to the side to side. And then eventually extend the right leg while holding the left one. Now this time change the leg, extend the left leg. Bring back to center. Again, lift the right and hug your knee again. Gently move your legs to the side and bring the feet together and practice supine Baddha Konasana. Hold and relax and breathe and feel this pose and make the most out of it by just focusing on your inhalations and exhalations. And after 3 to 5 rounds, as you exhale, you're all good to go ahead with your rest of the day. And I hope you enjoyed practicing this quick flow with me. If you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Like I always say, keep practicing. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and bye bye.